Viewers, let's now take you through the arguments for the bill and against the bill. Remember, government has been saying that this is very, very important because throughout the year, India keeps having elections and that has a huge economic impact as well. And this is something that India needs at this point in time. So some of the arguments that support ONOP includes that this prevents policy paralysis, because remember, when elections are happening, model code of conduct is also issued, and at that time major policy announcements can't really be made. Argument against ONOP is, one of them is that it in fact advantage national parties. The political parties feel that it is going to help the national parties more. Another argument that is in favor of ONOP is that it mitigates resource diversion. However, the one that is against it suggests the coordination between state and center will become very, very difficult. And then we have some more arguments for ONOP. One is that it preserves regional party relevance, but it seems that a lot of political parties do not agree with this opinion. The argument against this particular aspect is that it is additional burden on forces as well as EC, because India is a large country and having simultaneous elections in so many states, union territories and the Lok Sabha can actually mean a lot of pressure on the agencies. Another argument that is in favor of ONOP is that it enhances, in fact, political opportunities. On the other hand, regional parties are at a big disadvantage. So these are some of the arguments we heard in the parliament as well today. Opposition, in fact, was of the view that this is going to undermine the states, the federal structure. It's going to undermine the constitution, the voters as well. The government, on the other hand, feels that this is very important. It's going to save money. It's going to add to our GDP as well. That is what the government believes, and they feel that this will definitely benefit the country. And another argument from the centre's side has been that it's not the first time that India is proposing. In the past, we have seen a time where India had simultaneous polls as well.